How's it going, guys? Stefan is here and you're watching Sygtech. Let's start this comparison video. We have the Galaxy Z Flip 3 5G and we have the iPhone 13 Pro, both devices running the latest version of the Android and iOS. So let's not waste time and let's see which device is faster. So both devices are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. So let me see if there's any recent apps. As we can see, there's no recent apps. So let's start now. Let's open the camera in 3, 2, 1. I believe this was the Galaxy Z Flip 3. Actually opens the camera much faster. Let's open the YouTube app in 3, 2, 1. I think this was about the same, but again, you are the judge. Very smooth on both devices. Both devices actually has 120 Hz refresh rate, which is very interesting. So let's open the Play Store and the Apple Store on both devices in 3, 2, 1. Okay, so this was actually the Galaxy Z Flip 3, which is very interesting to see that the Galaxy Z Flip 3 actually it's a little bit faster, which is surprising because Apple A15 actually it's very powerful, but again the Galaxy Z Flip 3 actually runs the 888 Snapdragon, which is fast as well. Okay, so let's open the calculator in 1, 2, 3. I think this was about the same, but again, you are the judge, so you can check if the iPhone is faster. Okay, so let's open the both browsers on the both phones in 1, 2, 3. I think this was the iPhone, so we have the Samsung browser open with the Samsung website, pretty smooth scrolling actually, and we have the Apple website, pretty decent, nice scrolling as well, but yeah, pretty nice. So let's open the recording app on both devices in 1, 2, 3. I think this was the Samsung, but again, you were the judge. Pretty nice. Let's open the clock on both devices in 1, 2, 3. I think this was the Samsung, but again, you are the judge. Pretty cool. And now let's play some games now, because this is gonna be interesting to see if the Samsung actually beats Apple with the games. So I have two games here. Asphalt 9 in 3, 2, 1. Let's see if the iPhone beats the Galaxy Z Flip 3. Actually, no, Samsung opens the app faster, this is surprising, guys. This is very surprising. So it's interesting that actually the Snapdragon 888 is faster than the A15, but yeah, so let me know what do you think about these two phones, guys. I mean, everything is pretty nice here, but once again, if you have any questions, leave it in the comments down below. As always, thank you very much for watching and I'll see you in the next video, and don't forget to subscribe.